Hey, what's up guys, my name is Isaac and in this video I'm gonna be showing you the fastest way to fade any type of hair with a simple step-by-step formula. So make sure you guys stay tuned and check this out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's get to it. I'm gonna start with my trimmer guideline and I'm gonna pass it right above the ear. Then I'm gonna do the shaver right underneath the guideline, and then I'm gonna come with my trimmers to knock it off quickly. I'm gonna do the trimmer, and then I'm gonna use the trimmer in reverse just to knock it off quickly. I'm gonna do the zero guideline is closed, and then I'm gonna pass the zero guard halfway open, and then I'm gonna close it until it's fully erased. Now we don't have a zero guideline. I'm gonna start with my half guard. I'm gonna just pass it around just to make sure all the hairs are cut even, and then I'm gonna come with my number one open, and then I'm gonna close it. This is gonna be the fastest way you guys can fade any type of hair. We're gonna come with a 0.5 guard halfway open, and we're gonna start flicking out until we erase the guideline underneath the 1.5. Coming up with my zero guard open, I'm just gonna finish detailing what I couldn't erase with the half size. Coming up with my number 4 guard, I'm gonna pass it all around my client's crown just to give it the shape up. And then with the number 3 guard, we're gonna start fading down. As you guys can see, now I'm gonna use my number 2 guard close as well, and then I'm gonna pass it right up under the number 3 guard, leaving me with the 1.5 open. I'm gonna start flicking out. As you guys can see, I'm just flicking out. And then with the 1.5 close, I'm gonna start flicking out as well, and the fade is already kind of giving its shape. Now I'm just gonna come with my detailing. I'm gonna use the 1.5. I'm just gonna do the 1 open and just knock the points, the dark points that I can see that is not letting the fade have its usual shape. Just knocking on the dark spots. Have a little bit more right there, and this is a fade. What do you guys think? We did this fade really quick. I think it's the fastest way you can fade any type of hair. And then just coming up with my thinning shears, I'm just gonna start trying to reach the dark spots that I couldn't reach with the guards. And since I don't want to go back with all of the steps again and do it all over again, I'm just gonna try to detailing with the thinning shears. Finally, I'm just gonna line up my client. I'm gonna start by just doing a simple square on the corner of his head. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of enhancements right on the corner of the shape up that we just did. The reason why I add enhancements is because I think that it gives it that extra touch up to the haircut to make it look crispy and badass. What do you guys think? Now I'm gonna add volume powder on my hairline. And I also did this design on his side of his head. And if this video gets to 100 likes and 500 subscribers, I'm gonna add a step-by-step process of how I did this design. Now I'm gonna use Ivy Line clay wax. I'm gonna rub a little bit on my hand and I'm gonna apply it to my client's hairstyle. The reason why I like this product is because it really gives it that natural look on his hairstyle. It doesn't look too dry, it doesn't look too shiny. I think it looks perfect and it fits him well with the fade. Then I'm gonna use my texture comb just to have a little bit of touch up and knock the hairs down that are kind of sticking up on his hairstyle to make it look good. And this is the final result, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.